Hi guys, in this tutorial I will show you how you can display your newest products on the home page or any CMS page where you want to show it. Let's start with Magento 2.23. After logging to your admin, you will see the screen, your dashboard area. Okay, now go to the menu section from the left side, content, and then click on the pages. Okay, after clicking on the pages, it will display all the pages on your site you have already created. From the top, you can create a new page from here. Okay, I already created one test page which don't have any type of products or data on this page. Like I'm refreshing it, you will see. Okay, you can see there's no products are visible here. And now go on to the admin side and select our page and let's edit it. After clicking on the edit, it will load the page with its default details and the contents if you have added anyone. Okay, click on the contents. Here you can see the title I have given it. Now add widget here. Click on the second icons, insert widget. It will load all the default widgets you have. Okay, select widget type. Like I have to add create catalog new product list. You can also add recently compared products, recently viewed products, which one you want. Let's add it catalog new product list. It will load all the settings you need for it. Okay, display some of the products, new products. Like I want to all products display. Do you want a page controls where you want to move from first to second, third page? Pagination you want to show it. Number of products to display. Templates. Okay, let's insert it. Insert widget. Okay, our widgets insert here. If you want to check its code, you can see widget type, display, and its template. Let's show it. And go on to the front side. Here we will refresh our page. You can see all the new parts are displayed here. So from this way you can add your new products on any static page you want to show, either its home page or other page. Hope you guys like it. Okay, bye bye.